In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use harvest time tracking. Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to use harvest time tracking so you can confidently record your work and keep your projects organized. First, log into your harvest account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, open the timesheet page, which is where all your time tracking happens. At the top of the timesheet, make sure you're looking at either day view or week view. Day view is perfect when you want to focus on what you're doing today and start or stop timers as you go. Week view is great if you prefer to enter time in batches, like at the end of the day or the end of the week. When you're ready to add time, click Add Entry. You'll choose a project first. Projects are usually set up by your team, so pick the one that matches the work you're doing. If you see a long list, use the search to find it quickly. Next, select a task. Tasks are tied to the project and reflect the type of work, like design, development, or admin. Choosing the right project and task is important because it keeps your reports accurate later. Now decide how you want to track the time. If you've already completed the work and know how long it took, enter the time spent manually. You can type the duration in hours and minutes. If you're about to start working, click Start Timer to track time automatically as you go. This is especially helpful if you switch between tasks during the day. Just remember to stop the timer when you're done. When you've entered your time manually, click Save. If you use the timer, click Stop Timer when you finish and your entry will be recorded. Take a moment to review your time entry to make sure it's correct. Confirm the project, the task, the date, and the duration all match what you actually worked on. This quick check helps prevent small errors from adding up. Repeat these steps for each task you work on. A simple habit to follow is to start a timer as soon as you begin a task and save or stop it before you move on to the next one. If you prefer batching your entries, switch to week view and add them one by one at the end of the day. And that's how you use harvest time tracking. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.